Welcome to WanderVerse. If you're looking to escape into nature's most awe-inspiring landscapes in 2025, you're in the right place. From alien deserts to emerald lakes, this countdown will leave you speechless. Tucked away in central Croatia, Plitvice Lakes is a fairy tale of 16 cascading lakes interconnected by waterfalls and walkways. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a dream for hikers, photographers, and nature lovers alike. Visit from April to June, and don't miss a boat ride across the main lake. Nearby, the charming village of Rostock mirrors its beauty on a smaller scale. In Chilean Patagonia, Torres del Paine stuns with jagged peaks, glacial rivers, and valleys dotted with wild guanacos. A paradise for trekkers and wildlife lovers, best visited between November and March. Did you know Paine means blue in the local Tehuelche language? These surreal sandstone pillars in China inspired the floating mountains of Pandora in James Cameron's Avatar. The park is best explored in autumn when visibility is high. For a thrill, walk the glass bridge that spans two cliffs with a drop of over 900 feet. Nestled in the Julian Alps, Lake Bled is a real-life fairy tale. A tiny island crowned with a church sits in the center of emerald waters, with a castle watching from the cliffs above. Visit between May and September and try the traditional cream cake while you're there. Glacial fjords, rainforest-covered cliffs, and dramatic skies make Fiordland one of New Zealand's most epic national parks. Milford Sound, the crown jewel, can be explored by cruise or kayak. High in the Himalayas lies the Valley of Flowers, an explosion of color during the monsoon. Rare blooms, alpine herbs, and a peaceful river await from July to September. It's a moderate trek, but the payoff is absolutely worth it. Straddling three countries, Mount Roraima is a prehistoric flat-top mountain, often wrapped in clouds. Its summit feels untouched by time. You'll need a guide for the multi-day hike, best done between December and April. Tromsø is one of the world's top aurora viewing destinations. Between September and March, the night skies come alive with green, purple, and pink ribbons of light. For best views, head to the countryside and pack a tripod. Banff National Park is Canada's gem. With lakes like Louise and Moraine glowing turquoise under the summer sun, it's a photographer's dream. Visit from June to August and hike early to beat the crowds. Antelope Canyon is a swirling maze of red rock sculpted by centuries of wind and water. For the iconic sunbeams, visit between March and October around midday. It's a photographer's playground. Which of these nature wonders is on your 2025 travel list? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to WanderVerse for more epic travel countdowns every week.